how are you? I hope you all are doing well, happy and healthy. So welcome to today's maths class, and today we will do knowing our numbers natural and whole. In this chapter we are going to read about natural and whole number and different operations related to them. Introduction. Numbers play an important role in our lives. Almost all things we do involve numbers and mathematics. Whether we like it or not, our life revolves in number since the day we were born. We use numbers to count and to describe quantity. In prehistoric time, people could probably describe group of objects only with such unprecise word as few, several or many. In Stone Age times, people showed the number like 20 or 30 by making 2 0 or 3 0 separate marks. In certain caves, you can still see the marks that they made. Then most likely they begin to count their fingers 5 on each hand, giving total of 10. From arose the system of numbers built around the quantity of 10. It is a system we use today. It is called the decimal system. Here early number system is given. Different languages में numbers को कैसे लिखा जाता है, it is given here. We will move to next topic, quick funda. Decimals comes from the Latin word decim, means 10. Decimal का मतलब होता है out of 10. In the decimal system, it can express every number by using only 10 basic units 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the decimal number, the value of the digit depend not only on their own size but also on their position or place. The number going from the right to left, the place in the number stand for ones, tens, hundred, thousand and so on. The number we use every day are called Hindu Arabic numerals. जो नंबर हम यूज करते हैं they are called Hindu Arabic numerals. They originated in India in 6th and 7th century and went to Europe from Arabia in the CE 800. The great advantage of the Hindu mathematician was the idea of zero or zero, which made their system the most useful invention. Zero का invention था वो इंडिया में हुआ था. After that बाकी numbers develop हुए. Indian system of numeration. We know that the number is an idea or concept, but the representation of number by the group of digit is called numeral. Expressing the number in numeral is called numeration. Our numeration system is based on 10 symbolical digits. हमारा जो नंबर सिस्टम है वो 10 सिंबल पे बेस्ड है. दे आर 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these are digit. They also form the 10 smallest whole numbers. Any other whole number can be written using the 10 digit, and that give the idea of place value. We can write the next 90 whole numbers by using 2 digit, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Till 99 all are 2 digit number, and after 99, 100, that is a 3 digit number. We can write the next 990 whole numbers by using 2 or 3 digit, 10, 11 and so on till 999, that is 3 digit number. Thus very large numbers can be written with the more digit. For example, in the year 2017, the population of Delhi was 1,90,72,564 people, or 1,90,72,564 people in words. Here are the place value of 8 digit of number that represent the population of Delhi as follow. Place value के according दे रखा है ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 8 digit number है. So I'll read it. 1 crore, 90 lakh, 72,564. Clear? From the above, you will observe 1 crore 90,72,564 इक्वल्स टू, इसमें हो जाएंगे 1 करोड़ प्लस 90 लाख प्लस 0 हो जाएगा, 0 लैक्स हो जाएंगे प्लस 70,000 प्लस 2,000 प्लस 500 प्लस 60 प्लस 4. तो इसको ऐसे एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में हम लिख सकते हैं. यू विल ऑल्सो नोटिस द हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम इज बिल्ड ऑन पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न. ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग केयरफुली. 1 into 10 10, 10 into 10 100, 100 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे विल गेट 1000. If we multiply 1000 by 10 we'll get 10,000 and so on. So this pattern is known as base 10 system or the decimal system. ये पैटर्न क्या कहलाता है? डेसिमल सिस्टम, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. There is no difference in Indian and international place value chart up to 5 digit. However, thereafter the two chart are different. For example, the population of Delhi is 1,90,72,562 will be shown on international place value chart as under. इंटरनेशनल एंड इंडियन सिस्टम में प्लेस वैल्यू में 5 डिजिट तक कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. आफ्टर दैट वो चेंज हो जाता है. कैसे? सो हियर इट इज गिवन हाउ विल राइट द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दिल्ली इन इंटरनेशनल न्यूमेरिकल सिस्टम. सो फर्स्ट जो वर्ड्स का पीरियड होगा दैट वंस, टेंस, 100, देन 1000, 10,000, 100,000, मिलियन एंड 10 million. So we'll read it 19,72,564. Clear? From the above place value chart, you will observe that the period of international place value chart are different from those of the Indian place value chart. The corresponding value of the number in the two system are as under. 1 lakh जो Indian system का होगा, in international system that is 100,000. 10 lakh, 1 million, 1 crore, 10 million. Reading numbers. Remember, while reading a number, whether Indian or international system, the digit in each period are read as 1 unit. For example, 1 crore 90 lakh 72,564 will be read as, in the Indian system, 1 crore 90 lakh 72,564. International system, that is 19,72,564. Clear? Next, place value, its importance. Now consider the 5-digit number, that is 11,111. Here each numeral 1 has a different values. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. How can a numeral 1 stand for so many different values? This is the magic of place value. यहाँ पे 1 की अगर आप देखेंगे, every time the place value of 1 is changing. So it's the magic of place value. In fact, the value of numeral depend on what place it is. In our number system did not use place value, we would need a lot more than the 10 numerals. We would need millions. Some important observation. Naming number in word is called numeration. Number names are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There are 10 digits in decimal system: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 0 specify no object in the collection. 1 specify one object in a collection and so on. Learning target 1.1. Subject enrichment. Fill in the blanks suitably. First is the smallest 5-digit number is. What is the smallest 5-digit number? That is 10,000. It is 1 more than. So किससे 1 ज़्यादा है? ये हो जाएगा 9,999. Clear? All other questions you have to practice it by yourself. Next is natural numbers. The counting number, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are called the natural numbers. जो भी numbers 1 से start होते हैं they are called natural numbers. A number form a meaning when associated with an object. For example 5 pens, 3 notebook, 10 boys, 20 girls, etc. Natural numbers are denoted by the capital letter N. N से हम natural numbers को represent करते हैं. The set of natural number n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Natural number are infinite. We can obtain the next larger natural number by adding 1 to the given natural number. अगर next number find out करना है so we will add 1 to it. The next number so obtained is called the successor. जो next number होगा वो क्या कहलाएगा? That is called successor of given number. Hence, there is no largest natural number. You can obtain the previous smaller natural number by subtracting 1. If we have to find the previous number or predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. The number so obtained is called predecessor of given number. Also, there is no natural number smaller than 1. Hence, the smallest natural number is 1. Smallest natural number है that is 1. Clear? Next, whole numbers. All the natural number along with the number 0 form the set of whole number. जितने भी natural number है और 0 they make the whole number. Whole number are denoted by the capital letter W. The set of whole number W equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Natural numbers start with 1 and whole numbers start with 0. So it is evident that all natural numbers are whole numbers. The number 0 is the smallest whole number. Smallest whole number क्या होगा? 0. Quick funda. The smallest and the first natural number is 1. The natural number other than 1 can be obtained by adding 1 to the previous natural number. For the number 1, there is no previous natural number. We can go to the counting natural number infinitely. There is no last or greatest natural number. What we say that there are infinitely many natural numbers. We mean we cannot complete the counting of all natural numbers. Natural number 1 से start होते हैं and infinite तक होते हैं. Note. If you begin writing all the counting numbers today, you could continue writing every moment of every day and every day of rest of your life and never be finished. So number infinite होते हैं, कभी भी end नहीं होते. Next, predecessor and successor. A number that is one less than the given number is called predecessor of that number. किसी भी given number से one less जो number होता है यानी उसका previous number, that is called predecessor. The predecessor come before the number. For example, 6276 में से 1 subtract करेंगे, we'll get 6275 is the predecessor of 6276. Clear? A number that is one more than the given number is called the successor of that number. यानी next number जो होगा one more यानी 1 add करके जो number आएगा, that is called successor of that number. For example, 6276 plus 1, that gives you 6277 is the successor of 6276. So predecessor means previous number 1 subtract करके आएगा and successor means next number जो 1 add करके आएगा. Next, comparing two numbers greater and smaller. To find out which of two given numbers is greater, follow the steps given here. Step 1. Count the number of digits in each number. If the number has more number of digits than the other, then it is the greater number. जिसमें भी digit ज़्यादा होंगी वो number greater होगा. So here if we count, this number has 8 digits and this number has 9 digits. So it is greater. Clear? What if both the number have the same number of digit? अगर दोनों नंबर में सेम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट होगी तो क्या करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस केस दोनों में अगर हम देखें 9 digit. Both are 9 digit numbers. So in this case, what will we do? Step 2. Compare the digit with the same place value from the left hand side. Left hand side से compare करना start करेंगे. If you find that a certain digit in the number is greater than the digit in another number having the same place value, then the number with greater digit is greater number and the other is smaller number. For example, number दे रखे हैं, दोनों में equal number digit है. So we will start from the leftmost side. यहाँ पे 9 है, यहाँ पे भी 9. Then we'll move to next. Here 2, 2, 8, 8, 3, 3. यहाँ पे क्या है 7 and here 6. So this number will be greater because 7 is greater than 6. Clear? So this is how we can compare the number. Therefore no need to compare the remaining digit having the same place value. फिर हमें बाकी जो digit है उनको compare करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. The number will be equal if all the digit having the same place value are equal. The use of greater than or less than. This is the symbol of greater than and this is the symbol of less than. Is very useful and interesting. Next is ascending and descending order. Arranging in ascending order means to arrange a number from smaller to greater. Ascending order means smaller से greater की side में आपको number को arrange करना है. Arranging in the descending order means arrange a number commencing from greater to smaller. Descending order means greater to smaller. For example, यहाँ पे आपको number दे रखा है. Ascending order है means increasing order में है. तो सबसे पहले smallest number आएगा. This is the smallest. ये उससे बड़ा, ये उससे बड़ा and जो last number होगा that is the greatest number. And if we talk about descending order, it will start with the greatest number. तो ये सबसे बड़ा होगा, then ये उससे छोटा, then this one and this one, and the last is the smallest one. Clear? So this is descending order. Next, use of large numbers. Large numbers are not normally used in our daily life. They are used for sale and purchase of the land, machines, car, houses, etc. Some example of the use of large number are given below. The price of a car may range from 25,000 to 15 lakh. The cost of the duplex house may range from 15 lakh to 25 lakh. The weekly sale of jewelry may range from 25 lakh to 1 crore. The population of Delhi in 2001 was 1 crore 27 lakh 91,458. The monthly collection of the fee of school may range from 8 lakh to 15 lakh. So here we are using the large numbers. Some important observations. In comparison of number, when the two numbers have the different number of digits, the number which have more number will be greater. जिसमें भी number ज़्यादा होंगे वो greater होगा. Then the one which is smaller number of digit, जिसमें कम होगी वो smaller होगा. When the two numbers have the same number of digit, the comparison of such numbers start from the left hand side. Left hand side से start करते हैं अगर number of digit same है तो. To form the greatest number using the given number of digit, arrange the digit in descending order. If we have to form the greatest number, we have to arrange the number in descending order. To form the small number using given digit, we arrange the digit in ascending order. अगर small number form करना है, so we have to arrange the digit in ascending order. Next, critical thinking. Just for fun. यहाँ पे आपको एक fun activity दे रखी है. You have to practice it by yourself. या आपको खुद try करना है. Next, learning target 1.2. Subject enrichment. Fill in the appropriate sign of equal to, greater than and less than. You have to compare the number and put the appropriate sign. So first one is 999 and 1000. So 999 and 1000. So 1000 is greater than 999. So we'll put the sign of this. Clear? accordingly this you have to put the sign. आपको नंबर कंपेयर करना है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग साइन आपको प्लेस करना है. All other question you have to practice it by yourself. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now you have to practice it yourself.